In this video, we'll factor trinomials by first factoring out a greatest common factor. In this trinomial, each term has an x. We can factor out x to the second power. And the trinomial x squared plus 5x plus 6 can be factored into two binomials. Now the trinomial is fully factored. Try another example. Each of these terms include an x and a 4, so we can factor out a 4x. And the trinomial x squared minus x minus 20 factors into x plus 4 times x minus 5. So the fully factored form looks like this. Here we're told to factor the trinomial, and we want the leading coefficient to become positive. So the x squared term at the moment is negative. If we factor out a -1, the x squared term will become positive. When we factor a -1 out of each term, we change the sign of each term, and now that trinomial in the parentheses can be factored into x plus 7 times x minus 8. Another example like this, we have the x cubed term is negative. Each term in the trinomial contains an x, and we can factor out a -3. So we'll factor out a -3x, and we're left with x squared plus 2x minus 24. The trinomial in the parentheses will factor. Okay, one last example. To factor this trinomial completely, we want to first look at the way it's set up. We have x to the 4th, then x to the 3rd, then x to the 2nd. So it's set up in standard form, but each term has an x squared, which can be factored out, and a b. So let's factor out the bx squared. Now notice the trinomial can be factored into x plus 4 times x plus 5.